When I was younger, I didn't really understand bird watching. I used to think it must be so boring. And yet now, as an older adult, there is nothing that gives me more joy. So I'm going to walk to the top of there with Essie today. What do you think, Es? Essie, is that good? Yeah. Let's just zoom in a little bit. Okay, there's snow in those mountains. Let's go. Will you stop digging the ground? What are you like? Come on. This way, hon. Thankfully there are no sheep on the fells today, otherwise I'd have Essie on a lead. There's hardly anybody here. Just me, Essie and the wind. Wait. This is the way up. It's just a little bit of a climb. Too much. We're almost there. wonder if there's anybody else up here coming for a midday dip in February. Keeps the information at bay. I've been doing it a few years now, coming up here in the winter, sometimes breaking the ice. I'm not saying it's for everybody, and it took me a while to acclimatise myself, but I absolutely love it. So let's go and see what's going on up here. So this is limestone area, and this was all carved out by glaciers. And up here we have the Corrie, which is a small tarn on a small lake. As the glacier receded thousands of years ago, it carved out this big steep walls behind it. Not a soul. I don't know if you get this through the lens, but it is very, very big. It's vast. And it's so calm. And I don't want to let Essie go because sometimes there are stags up there. And I don't want her getting into trouble. She's only little after all, aren't you, Es? You can already just sense the calm up here. The shelter. And the pure water. We've got little beaches. Whoops. So I'm going to get ready to get in, find my own little piece of heaven. Some nice hot tea. So I'm going home into my studio now, and I'm going to make some baby slippers with this beautiful merino wool, some olive oil soap and some water. You place your bubble wrap down and you place your resist on top, and then taking this merino wool, which is 18 microns, it's one of the finest you can get, you lay it down in very fine layers over the resist. And between each of the layers you're going to lay your net curtain and water and just press down and spray and cover it with soap, taking care not to move any of the fibres. As you wet these merino fibres, it may look like it's gone transparent. Don't worry, there are no holes. It is literally the fibre soaking up the water. In between each of these layers, press down firmly and make sure that there is plenty of soap. So I've changed colour here. I've got a different colour on the inside to the outside of my slippers. But I'm making sure that my layers are very, very fine. And in the video it is speeded up. So this is about 4 times faster than you would normally go. This video is a very quick version of the real thing, and if you'd like to see it step by step and how I finish them, then you can go over to my website debrasfeltstudio.co.uk, and coming out at the end of March I will have my Baby Bootees online course, and there you will see everything step by step and you can join in to make them. So I look forward to seeing you there, and in the meantime you'll see me just finishing these off. So here you can see me. These little bootees are tiny, but they are simply adorable. So if you'd like to learn how to make a pair step by step, you know where to find me. Take care now everybody, and see you next time. Bye!